Hello fans, I'm the PC Expert Amateur. We're going to take a look at the Zigmatech XOF Colorful Fan, which is model number XOF-F1255 Orange, or CFS-OXGKS-WU5. Here we go. And as you can see, it comes in many different colors. Now, the question, of course, is not the color so much as what's it good for, right? Well, let's take a look at that. It does come with a converter so that you can power it from the power supply instead of from the motherboard, which, in some areas is still the way people do it. And, I hate MolXD, but that's because it's incredibly poorly designed and makes it difficult to connect things. But hey, what do I know? All right. So let's see if I can get this to the right speed here so we can start it out. All right. That looks to be it. Now, I didn't actually show this to you, but if you look, you can see that the side of the frame, it has all these holes in it, which is interesting. Don't you think? Which kind of suggests that maybe this fan was designed to be mounted in a hole in a case so that it was almost flush, so it didn't take up a lot of space. This is fairly quiet, but there is a very low-toned hum to it. I feel like I just heard a harmonic resonance. And there it is again. No, it's not a harmonic resonance. It is increasing in tone, so it is something else. Presumably being created by the bearing or the motor. It disappeared now. And there is a harmonic resonance. I suppose I should probably turn it so you don't have to hear the blowing. So it's not actually very loud. In fact, once it's in the case, you're not going to hear it probably unless you're very, very sensitive. And as far as static pressure is concerned, yeah, that's about 1.5 maybe. So good for air coolers and cases, but not for water coolers. And let's take a look at the specs. All right, the Zigmatech XOF Colorful XOF-F1255 Orange, also called the this weird one that I read to you, CFS. For some reason, I forgot to put it in here. OXGKS-W5. Don't ask me what that means because I don't know. It's a $7 fan, which I think is could be a little bit less, but given that it's a kind of a specialty fan, I think that's okay. I think that's exactly the reason why it only has one lip and why there's ventilations on the side of the frame. I really do believe this is supposed to be mounted in a hole, so that it's almost flush with the case in order to reduce the profile so that it can fill in a fan hole that doesn't have much clearance. Yeah. So certifications: CE, EMC, N696, and ROHS. EMC is an old Australian certification replaced by RCM. Made in China, 120 by 25, 50,000 hours of life, 1 or 3 years warranty, not really sure which. 105 grams, 9 blades, 105 millimeters of space between the holes, 1,400 RPMs plus or minus 200, 53.34 CFMs of airflow, 1.51 millimeters of static pressure, 14 decibels, 51.5 centimeter long fan cable, no daisy chaining but sleeved, 3-pin DC connector, and this one's got a different bearing name. I'm not sure which it actually would be categorized under. It's fluid circulative bearing. So that's, kind of unique. 12 volts starting at 9, 2.4 watts, 0.2 amps. And no indicators of direction of rotation and flow. Turns in a clockwise direction. Comes with 4 fan bolts and that 2-pin to MolXD 5 centimeter power supply adapter. Thank you for watching this video. Also, thank you to Lawrence Abrams at bleepingcomputer.com for allowing me to use his forum to promote my videos, and thus I promote his website, which is a great website with lots of resources for tech people and for people who have computers, be it if you need help with hardware or software or even with malware. They have lots of resources. They have also got lots of news on their website about the tech world. If you would be interested in me presenting some of that news here on this channel, would you please let me know? I already have permission from Lawrence Abrams to do that. I'm just not sure if that would be something of interest to people, so I haven't done it yet. But yeah, so please like, subscribe, share. Let people know about my channel if you think it's worth it. If you don't think it's worth it and you want to give me feedback, please do so constructively in a video or in the community tab. If you can't be constructive and civil and logical about it, then you probably should just be quiet, because I have a low tolerance for people who like to troll, which is to say, if you're going to be a jerk, I will not put up with it. So thank you very much again. I hope you have a wonderful day.